Tonight, we'll be reading Goodnight Moon. On the great pontoon, there was a Duluth pack and a hungry raccoon and a crop art of the blue ox jumping over the loon. And there were 3 fat walleyes eating rhubarb pies and 2 yellow canoes and a pair of snowshoes and little deer ticks and snacks on sticks and a rod and a fish and a tater tot dish and a tired old voyager whispering, shh. Good night, pontoon. Good night, loon. Good night, ox jumping over the loon. Good night, lamp and the hungry raccoon. Good night, walleyes. Good night, pies. Good night, canoes. Good night, snowshoes. Good night, spruce. Good night, moose. Good night, sticks. Good night, ticks. Good night, rod. Good night, fish. Good night, Bemidji. Good night, hot dish. And good night to the old voyager, whispering, shush. Good night, lakes. Good night, air. Good night, north woods everywhere.